Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new lost mode in Samsung Find. So we've all felt that panic when your phone goes missing. So with the lost mode, Samsung Find now gives you the new tool to protect your device. So lost mode will basically lock your phone remotely, display your contact info on the lock screen, and will protect your sensitive files from strangers. So this gives a peace of mind, especially when traveling. So here is an example. I have logged on to Samsung Find on another phone. And I've basically gone to my Samsung S25 Ultra. Here, this is the new mode which has been introduced in One UI 8 called Lost Mode. So if I go ahead and tap on this, now it's basically telling me that my phone is unlocked. So your phone is unlocked. For your security, you should lock your phone. So I'll go ahead and tap on Next. Here I can go ahead and set a new PIN. I can set a new emergency contact. And then I can go ahead and enter a message saying, please, if you find this phone, you will get a reward. So after this, on screen on your Samsung Galaxy device, you'll see that it's locked. It'll show up a number where if the person finds his phone, he or she will be able to call you, and they'll also get a message saying reward if found. So there you go guys, there's a new lost mode on your Samsung Find on One UI 8.